1. 1973 Ford F-100 Ranger XLT, $8,800, Conyers, Georgia. This 1973 Ford F-100 Ranger XLT is an exceptional vintage pickup, featuring a powerful 360 FE big block engine paired with a smooth C6 automatic transmission. With a blue exterior and original paint that still shines nicely, this truck maintains a classic look with power steering, power brakes, front disc brakes, and factory AC, compressor not currently installed. It's loaded with options from 1973, and everything in the interior appears original and well-preserved. With extensive maintenance, including new tires, shocks, and an array of replacement parts, this truck is mechanically sound and ready for the road. A true find for classic truck enthusiasts. 2. 1978 Ford F-150 Long Bed Stepside, $5,000, Fayetteville, Tennessee. This rare long bed 1978 Ford F-150 Stepside is powered by an inline-six engine with automatic transmission, offering a solid and reliable drive. The odometer reads 90,370 miles, may have rolled over, and the truck comes with a clean red exterior and a straight body. It includes all the necessary materials to restore the wood bed, adding to its originality. For $5,000, this unique long bed Stepside is a good option for collectors seeking a fair condition project truck. 3. 1969 Chevy C20 Truck, $7,500, Hershey, Pennsylvania. A rare and desirable find, this 1969 Chevy C20 features an 8-lug configuration with a strong 327 V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. It's equipped with a sturdy wooden bed and is in good overall condition, with the odometer reading approximately 85,000 miles. Priced at $7,500, this truck is ideal for those seeking a classic Chevy with a solid base and original charm. Number 4, 1972 Buick Skylark, $7,800, OKD, South Carolina. This 1972 Buick Skylark Coupe sports a robust 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The car is in fair condition, showing some rust and in need of brake attention, but it runs and drives. Priced at $7,800, this Skylark offers an opportunity to own an iconic piece of American muscle with potential for restoration and personalization. Five, 1968 Chevrolet Camaro, $6,000, London. This 1968 Chevrolet Camaro comes equipped with a powerful 406 CI V8, bored from a 400 CSI engine, aluminum heads, and a Holley 750 carburetor, delivering impressive performance. The car is in primer, ready for painting with a solid gray exterior and an excellent interior. Featuring a 3K stall converter and a 350 turbo automatic transmission, this Camaro is priced at $6,000, making it a strong candidate for anyone looking to finish a classic muscle car project with a powerful setup. 6. 1963 Chrysler 300 Hardtop, $3,200, King George, Virginia. With a cool patina on its original red paint, this 1963 Chrysler 300 is a stylish hardtop with a classic push-button automatic transmission. Priced at $3,200, it includes the original 383 V8 engine and has had significant recent mechanical work, making it a promising project for Chrysler enthusiasts. The car is structurally sound, with some body rust typical of its age, and is a great candidate for either a full restoration or a preservation project. Number 7, 1961 Ford Falcon, $5,900, Naperville, Illinois. This 1961 Ford Falcon is a classic with character, featuring a 6-cylinder engine and a manual 3-speed transmission on the column. Though it needs fuel and carburetor work to start, it comes complete with all original parts and a nice interior. Priced at $5,900, this car would make a great project under $6,000, ideal for someone interested in restoring a well-preserved piece of Ford history. Number 8, 1964 Chrysler New Yorker, $9,500, Union Grove, Wisconsin. With a 413 V8 engine and push-button automatic transmission, this 1964 Chrysler New Yorker has been owned by the same family since new. Its excellent original condition, brand new tires, and smooth 70 mph cruising ability make it a solid driver. Minor cosmetic repairs are suggested, such as tuning the carburetor and servicing the AC. But at $9,500, this New Yorker offers a genuine survivor in the rare condition that collectors prize. Nine, 1962 Ford Thunderbird, $6,950, Moreland, Georgia. This 1962 Ford Thunderbird is in good condition with a 390 V8 engine and automatic transmission. While the red exterior has minor cosmetic flaws, including a small dent on the front fender, the car runs well. Priced at $6,950, it's an affordable entry point into classic Thunderbird ownership, with minimal work needed to elevate its visual appeal. $10, 1951 Kaiser, $7,495, Cincinnati, Ohio. This rare 1951 Kaiser sedan is in excellent condition, showcasing its original 6-cylinder flathead engine with 59,000 miles and an overdrive system. Driven regularly and well-maintained, it retains its original 6-volt system with an upgraded 8-volt battery. With an interior that could benefit from updating, this Kaiser is a show-ready car with loads of originality for $7,495, ideal for someone who appreciates an uncommon classic with low miles. $11, 1986 Chevy Scottsdale Square Body, $16,000, Greensboro, North Carolina. Known as Captain America, this 1986 Chevy Scottsdale features a new 350 crate engine with only 7,000 miles, smooth transmission, and an upgraded audio system. The truck is in excellent mechanical condition, requiring only minor cosmetic enhancements. Priced at $16,000, it's a powerful 4x4 truck with notable upgrades, perfect for those looking to drive a classic with modern reliability and rugged charm.